Today is a good day because we finally got some parts for the 335. So let's check them out. Well, here they are. We got a couple boxes here. So let's bring them in the garage, open them up, and then see what we got. All right, so as you see, I already opened up the one box here to make sure that it wasn't damaged because I forgot how this would come in. So I wanted to make sure before I made the video. But you can probably guess what it is by now, but we got front splitter. So it's a two-piece one. That's why I opened the box, because I thought it might have been a one-piece and they just like bent it or something. But nope, it's a two-piece. So let's see what came in the other box. All right, in this box, we got tinted side markers. They're still the working ones. They're just the sequential LEDs. I'll show you what we're replacing in a second. And final box for today is some mirror caps. They are gloss black right now, and I'll tell you why I got this color in just a second. Alright, so now that I got the parts opened, you're probably wondering from the title of this video why I can't install any of these parts. Well, there's a reason for that. Well, actually there's a couple reasons. The first one being is there's no front bumper. And without a front bumper, no front lip is going on. So that's the first reason. The second reason is these turn signals here. These are the tinted ones that I got. But this car has not went in for safety here, and with the tinted side markers, it won't pass. So we can't put those on yet. And the final reason is because I have a question for you guys. Right now, the mirror caps are the same color as the car. And as you just seen, the mirror caps that I bought were gloss black. And my question for you guys is, should I keep them gloss black or should I paint match them to the car? Because right now I have to paint the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the hood anyways. So I figured while I'm at it, I can also get paint matched mirror caps. Because if you look at the M cars and whatnot, like right now, you can see that they are paint matched to the car. So I figured maybe I want to do that. So my question for you guys is, should I get them paint matched or leave them gloss black? Let me show you what gloss black looks like right now. So they came with a tool, and I see a lot of videos online of everybody breaking their glass and don't change them just because they want to break their glass. And I'm probably going to do a separate video on this alone, but as long as you have this tool, you do not need to take your glass out and risk breaking it. All you have to do is go at the corner here where this light is, pry it up, get your finger to hold it, slowly slide it, and there we go. It's off, and it is not damaged. We did not break it or anything. All the clips are still intact. Everything is still intact. And the mirror cap is off. So I can pull it on and off as many times as I want. So let me show you guys what black looks like. So here is the paint match. And here is the gloss black. And now looking at it in the sun, I actually don't mind the gloss black, especially since this is black down here. So let me just, I'm not going to clip it on yet just because Chinese plastic, don't want to risk. But there it is there. Let me pop it. It's probably hard to tell maybe with the lighting, but there is the gloss black. And there's paint match. Looking at it now, I actually don't mind the gloss black too much. I actually think it's gonna look really good when the tinted side markers are on. But I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to let me know what you think I should do down in the comments below. All right, just so you guys can see. Just like that, they're clipped back in. Now you guys all know. Well, now you guys know why I can't put in the parts. Hopefully I get a front bumper soon enough so I can get this car in for safety. Another decision that I made is that I'm getting the M Sport rear bumper as well. I figured might as well go big or go home. So I'm gonna get them all at once. I think it's gonna make the car look a lot better and finished. So let me know if you think I made the right decision down in the comments below. Other than that, guys, be sure to subscribe to see the upcoming videos of me installing all of these mods, because you're not gonna wanna miss that. But other than that, guys, that's gonna end today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.